Well, I think the important thing for young adults, and they're much more savvy than they were, maybe 20 years ago, is they just need to sit down and do it. When they're looking at their personal finances, it's a good thing to get ahead of the game, try to educate yourself. There are a lot of products out there, shop around, get the best product, the lowest interest rate. If you've already driven up some loans and you're having trouble with your budget or making ends meet, that's a good time to go in and see a certified counselor like what we have here at Consumer Credit Counseling Service. Our people can sit down, give you some ideas about your budget, where you may be able to expand it, where you may be able to do away with some things in there. And really it comes down to a matter of choices for you as a consumer. If your ultimate goal is to buy a house, first time home, maybe you don't want the new car now. We see a lot of young couples that come in, they're driving 2 brand new cars, and they can't afford to put together the down payment for a home. They're struggling making their mortgage payment, and when you add up the 2 car payments, sometimes it can be as much as a mortgage payment. So it's a matter of choices and common sense. And that's one of the areas where a good credit counselor can kind of guide you through that and remind you that there are some choices you can make. The other thing is that with student loans, those people are getting out of college and not able to find a job right away, or kind of struggling trying to make their student loans. There are some things that you can do in that area, but most of the federal loans are still difficult to deal with unless you can consolidate them. But here again, if you come in and we work with you on a budget and we help you pay off your debt if you have credit card debt, some of the things that we can do in those areas will free up some of your money so that you can apply it towards your student loans. Again, just common sense things, but something that a certified counselor might be able to help you with. I think if you're a person that's recently graduated from college, or maybe somebody that's been out for a while, and you're struggling with some of your student loans, don't lose faith. There's a bill in Congress right now which might pass that could possibly help you with some of those student loans. We stay on top of that information here at Consumer Credit Counseling Service, and our counselors are always here to talk to you and to help you to try to get through your financial difficulties. So call Consumer Credit Counseling Service at 402-333-2227, or contact us on our website, www.cccsn.org. If we don't have the answers for you, we'll research them and we'll try to supply them for you.